This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Paul Ford, Realtors property video is presented by Clay Mittman. This magnificent 1895 Italianate home overlooks the Delaware River, bridge, and city skyline. Queen and interior with beautiful woodwork, grand foyer with stone fireplace, gracious living room. Gracious living room with many windows and built-in window seats, formal dining room with arched windows, modern kitchen. 4 bedrooms on the second floor, all with views. Central dressing room with balcony overlooking river view. Modern bath, 2020, with freestanding tub and separate shower. The 3rd floor suite includes an office, a sleeping alcove, and a large bedroom with a full bath. 3-car detached garage, private driveway with electric gate, porches, patios, and a private yard. A very special property. For more information